All right, guys. I had a really good day on AMC, especially the last squeeze that we got from it. So AMC, the famous meme stock, opened again strong. Yesterday had a really solid day, couple of days, and just had really nice volume. 700 million shares traded. It's a Wall Street bet. So what happened was in the pre-market, it went up all the way up to 45 and then sold off. And when the stock is selling off in the pre-market, it's really getting harder and harder to trade. So at the open, it really sold off. Did a nice 1 minute opening range breakdown, but I didn't trade it because I don't like to squeeze. I'm gonna short a stock that is like meme stocks, because it can squeeze up really bad. It did squeeze up. I traded on a 1 minute opening range breakup and sold some, and I got a stop out. So that was one trade that I did. And then it came back up. I went long again, added more for a pop above the VWAP, and that was the second trade that I did, which was profitable. And then I did the third trade, which was kind of break even. And the fourth trade, as you see here, is just again another pop above that. And the fifth trade is I'm already in there already. So all four trades are pretty much profitable, but it was just more like a quick scalp. But I got the big move eventually from 39 all the way up to 41, as you see here. So that was a decent trade. So it's a little bit hard when the stock is really selling off below the VWAP, but eventually we did this 5 minute opening range breakup or 10 minute opening range breakup. I did eventually on that. It's a little bit of a Christmas tree style, but it was pretty good. And then I had a loss on BB when I tried to short it. When it broke the low of the day, I tried to short it at 1250, going maybe down to 1225. It squeezed back up and I got stopped out. So I'm gonna end my day profitable thanks to AMC. It was pretty good. Brian did a really nice short on Becky. So where did you short it, Brian?
50-40, right up at the VWAP.
51.40.
Actually, it was just coming off.
51.40, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. 51. Yeah, sorry, 51.40.
Yeah, and that's beauty. Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah, this is a trade book played for me. It's one of my favorites for the open. It's gapping down, stock gapping down, trading below the VWAP. And so when it pops back up at the open to the VWAP, that's where I short it.
This is called the rising phoenix. When the stock is down like 7.5%.
Rising devil.
Like rising devil, sorry. It pops up. Every pop at the open would be weakness. So you just dump on that. So, and then that's such a beautiful move. AMC is struggling back at 41. Let's see if you can get any signal on it. Let's see. It might be a good add into that. So I'm adding a little bit on AMC at 49.80. I still have some shares on it. Let's see if you can add for the next pop above 41. I'm adding a little bit more on that.
Becky's heading back down to low of day here, guys.
Yeah, there you go. Let's see if you can get to 41.50. Huge ask at 42. 42 is a little bit too far, but let's see if you can get to 200. Yeah, see the asks are getting bigger. Let's see, getting there, 41.50, selling off a little bit here. Yeah. My average is at 40.28, so I have some room to hold it. Potential 41.50 is the first level. There are huge asks at 42, but I think 42 is a little bit far, so yeah, it's 41.21. Let's see if this pullback is being bought back up. It's all.
So I'm sitting at 49.80 right now on Becky for the rest of my shares.
Let's see if AMC
Here we go. Here we go.
Becky is going down. Yeah, Brian is trading Becky.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Just getting out of just the rest. Filled.
AMC might.
Okay, that's it. I'm out. I'm out of Becky.
Yeah, Brian is out of Becky.
Oh. All right. Well, that was decent. That was very nice.
Yeah, very nice short. Really nice short. So it could be a 5 minute opening range breakdown as well. So this potentially could have been a 5 minute opening range breakdown for those of you. Although Brian just got it right at the VWAP, you could potentially short it here as well. So that's AMC broke out. So let me get out of my AMC. I'm watching it. AMC is gonna break out after 41.20. I'm getting out a little bit here. 41.50.
Yeah, there goes AMC again.
Let's see if you can see
No.
some big ass.
No.
Oh, there you go. It's
No
gonna
logic.
Pop. Yeah, there you go. Come on, pop. Nuts. Come on, you can do it. Add a little bit more on that. So 41.18. I'm just adding a little bit for the next big pop. About 41.50.
Maybe to 42 this time.
This time, yeah. Let's see, although it really extended out, I don't like that sound. It's really extended, but we'll see. At least the next pop. It's getting shorted for sure up there. Well, there you go. Did you see huge ask? Huge ask at 41.50. So that ask is getting there. Oh yeah, 41.60, 42 might be. Yeah, it's possible. Very, very possible.
Yeah. Anything is possible. To the moon.
To the moon. AMC to the moon. Or
Just need, we should
42.
start making shirts that say that.
Yeah, 42.
AMC
Come on.
to the
Yeah.
moon.
Pop. Yeah, so I'm holding 3,200 shares, guys. I want to see what happens. So let's see if you can get to
diamond
32.
hands.
Diamond hands.
Diamond.
So what the market is doing, I don't know.
Here goes BB's really starting to lose it here.
BB on. Yeah, I got a short on BB. Got to stop that, but
Yeah, I got that trade was marginal for me.
yeah. This is gonna go through 42. Probably gonna see some big ask at 42. Do
Oh,
we
yeah.
see anything? No.
Yeah.
Not yet. 42. No.
Yeah, but big pullback from that 42. Still gonna go, I think.
Yeah, it's gonna go. My average is at 47. So I love the volume. I love the order flow. It's really nice.
Ooh. Riot selling off.
So AMC 41.95 is the high of the day. Now it's dropping.
Getting short BB. Again, 12.55.
Okay, so AMC is dropping back to my break-even point. Gotta get out of it.
Ooh, big pullback on AMC. Didn't quite get to 42.
Yeah, I'm getting out of my AMC because it's now at my break-even point. So I'm flat on AMC. So no position for me except some ARC, TNA, and some TQQ. Might go down. It might be this the 920 trade that Brian has. So
yeah, might just pull back and then go ahead and then run again. I can't see it not. I can't see it not running up again.
Yeah. So Brian has a trade that when the strongest stock like this goes up, and it dropped to 20 moving average, the first drop to 20 move average you can buy, and that's exactly what happened. You know, you buy that 20, bounce back. You don't expect the high of the day, but you can expect that the next pop you can sell off. So that's a 920 trade. Yeah, you get a bounce. Yeah, this one is probably gonna go up. So, anyways, so that was that was pretty much the recap for the day plus this live trading. Any question, guys? Human did a nice short. BB, yeah, BB I gotta stop out, but
yeah, there were some good opportunities. There was
yes.
NVIDIA. People mentioned NVIDIA and AMD had a really nice breakouts at the open.
Oh yeah, beautiful 5 minute opening range break up. AMD, I know Peter had AMD on their Watch. AMD is a really nice 5-minute opening range breakup. Nice, very nice. Yeah, I don't know. AMD at 1.6%. I don't think it's gonna go below the VWAP, to be honest with you. Depends also what the market is doing. QQQ is doing some stuff. Let's see what AMC is doing. AMC is holding this 20 moving average. This drop was not cool, so definitely. Yeah, this BB is just horrible. I promised myself never ever trade MD again.
It's a little tougher.
This could be a good short on AMC. I think potentially could be a good short. I'm thinking of on a short on it. If you short it now, give a stop loss at 20-30 cents, you might get to 40. Let's see. I'm thinking of potentially shorting AMC here. See what it does. Maybe not.
Volume's been really dropping off on it, or at least dropping off on it over the last 4 or 6 minutes.
I got a small short on it and see if we can get to, although it doesn't look great, but got a small short on it. That
I think it actually doesn't look bad.
My entry was bad. Oh yeah, no, it's good. Let's see.
Yeah, I think it looks okay. I think it's going to lose a 9 moving average here. I'm not trading it, but
I mean, the more does the consolidation, the more likely it goes back for the higher of the day. So
yeah,
that's my only concern.
That's the big that's the big risk is the people will jump back into it again.
So I'm sure that 40.80. Let's see if we can get to the drop. Definitely pulls back are being bought. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
covering
no, it's
10%
dropping.
here.
Yeah.
Definitely a lot of short covering down there. Oh, nice. Covering some 40. Let's get to 40. Let's get this body to 40. Covering more here.
I added a bit to my BB short. 1278.
Let's see, get one more drop.
Just small size. Small size.
So 40. Ah, yeah, look at 40. Ah, yeah, look at that. That beauty.
Oh, it's AMC. We love this stock. Somebody hired a plane pulling a banner. Oh. What else we got going on?
So I'm still short AMC. I don't think we're gonna go back much. I might get stopped out. That was a good.
Jared picked a long on Tesla. That was a nice little bounce. Kind of a V reversal on that. Must have been at a specific level.
I'm covering all at AMC at the break even. It was a good $600. I took 1,000 shares, $600. That was good. Could be 1,000, but yeah. So that was. Oh, I still did the recap. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it. Well, tonight webinar. So just quickly, let's show quickly the webinar today. So we have the psychology webinar today by Dr. Kenneth Reed. By Dr. Kenneth Reed, we have the webinar. A trader walks into a bar. So Dr. Reed presentation are really fun and nice. So if you want to come and take a look at it and to have a chat with Dr. Kenneth Reed, is really nice. 8 p.m. Eastern time in the webinar room. Dr. Reed is really good presenter and it's really fun. And last week Yesterday, Jared was really sick, so he couldn't do the presentation. So we're gonna do the next week. So Jared's presentation next week on Tuesday. Yesterday we had the Q&A with Carlos and Mike. Ask Me Anything style of trading. So that's the presentation. And then on Thursday morning we have the mentorship session with me, and the mentorship session, the webinar with Tor in the afternoon. And Peak Capital Traders, guys, today is mentorship session in 45 minutes. So that's it. So let's see what AMC is doing. Yeah, I got to stop out at the break-even point. That's why a better entry would have been for me much better for a short. You know, if I had an entry around here at 41, then I would have held it more for this. This might make another drop, but I'm not gonna touch it. So I had a pretty good day in either direction, so that was pretty good. So Brian, anything from your side for recap?
I wanted to. Was my head? Did have sort of a plan to sell some Zoom calls after their earnings report. Just sell some. I was looking at 345s, maybe 350s. Just this usual earnings season gap up and then sell off. AMC's still looking weak, but that other than that, no, that was Becky was my trade book play of the day. That was good.
Perfect. Excellent. Thank you so much, guys. See you tonight in the webinar.